Hi everyone, I'm here to unveil the Soft Flex Mystery Design Kit for the month of March. This one is called Egg Hunt, and you will be seeing this on March 31st at 6 p.m. Eastern, because that is when they unveil the kit. Soft Flex Company does, and they ask that anyone not share the kit until then, so that others buying it later might be surprised as well. And then we make things with it, either using things with our own stash and it, or just from the kit. And then we can post our pictures on a Soft Flex VIB, very important beaders, or beaders group, and have a chance each month to, if we post by a certain date, to win the next kit. Now, I have not won, and I haven't posted any for this month because I still had to do it, which is February's, which they'll do the drawing before the next kit is unveiled. So I think like the day before or something, I forget exactly. Anyway, does it even say on here? Because they have this little flyer, and it kind of tells you, we love our monthly design kit challenge. Here's a few basics. Buy it when it goes on sale, limited quantities. Join the Soft Flex Very Important Beading studio group on Facebook. Do not reveal the contents of your mystery kit when you receive them. This way others can enjoy the surprise opening theirs too. And usually on the last Wednesday of the month, log into the Soft Flex Company Facebook page, watch us unbox the kit and make a few designs, or watch, they actually also are now streaming it to YouTube and Facebook at the same time. I think they're using StreamYard to do that. I used to use StreamYard sometimes. I need to get back on them. And then now it's your turn. Post pictures of your designs in the VIB group by the deadline posted. I have to see what that was. Every design you post is an entry to win our next available kit. You may use supplies from your own stash as long as we can see kit items in each design. Winner is chosen at random. Alright, and actually, ironically, they have a purple on there, and it is purple and this pretty turquoise yarn on here this time. So let's open Egg Hunt. I'm going to open it off camera and I'll come back because I don't want to do the crinkling. Be right back. All right, everyone, I have everything out and arranged. So the first thing is, you always get, so far that I've been doing this since November anyway, a spool of Soft Flex beading wire. It's 49 strand, 10 feet, 0.019 diameter, which is a good medium diameter. And this month it is chrysoprase, which is a pale green, perfect for an egg hunt, Easter, right? So really pretty. I might actually have this color in a larger spool, but I will be using this one because I'm not sure the other one is open anyway. So that is the first thing. And then we almost always get crimp tubes. These are sterling silver 2x2 crimp tubes, and there's usually about I want to say like 15 or 20 of them in here. This time we got silver filled ear wires. Silver filled is better than plated, not quite as pure as like sterling silver, but they're good, they're nice. A 12mm silver plated lobster claw, and then we have a Green Girl Studio pewter bunny charm. And if you're not familiar with Green Girl Studios, this is oh, I think her name is Cynthia. Anyway, she and her husband run the business, and her brother is Andrew Thornton from Allegory Gallery. Anyway, she makes beautiful pewter pieces, and I don't know why it's so glary. Let me put the light up a little. There we go. And it's double-sided. Isn't that adorable? Oh, that's so cute. I love that. I'm going to put those things back in this little bag. And then also we got some jump rings and silver tone. It says head pins, and they're in this bag. So 4 jump rings and looks like 4 bald head pins. It just says silver tone. And then in this bag were also these opal amethyst check glass purple amethyst opal flat diamonds. Now Sarah Eller, today is March 5th when I'm videoing this, and Sarah Eller just the other day, I think it was on Wednesday, made a piece of jewelry with these diamonds, only in different colors. I think she used red maybe, or I missed the video, so I'm not exactly sure. So anyway, those are like the findings plus extra beads. And then we get some bead strands. So we got 9 by 6 millimeter light blue-green gem cut rondelle. That's not them. That's these. These are gorgeous. 9 by 6 millimeter. So they're 9 this way by 6 millimeter this way. And they're check glass, but they are made to look like gemstones. And I almost thought they were. They are absolutely beautiful. Of course, you know I love blues and greens and things, so those are gorgeous, and you get quite a few on the strand. And then check glass fire polish silver volcano. So volcano is like multicolor. Ooh, I actually have some pieces I got from another bead company in that volcano color that maybe I can use with this. Hang on. So these are gorgeous. And then, okay, then we have check glass mint opal flat diamond. That's these. Obviously smaller than those other diamonds. Very pretty. And then lastly, well not lastly, but last of the strands, we have, these are gorgeous too. These are called check glass purple opal Saturn cut, and they have, I don't know, there, oh, you could sort of, well, you could sort of see the ridges, like there's a, there we go, it's a like a thicker band in the middle. These are really pretty. They look more blue there, but see, they're definitely purple opal. They are gorgeous as well. And then this is not on the list, but there's some blue turquoisey aqua seed beads. I'm not sure what size. They look to be 11/0s. And then the last thing is there's always a Jesse James custom bead mix, and this one is called Egg Hunt. That's the name of the kit. So let's see what's in here. It's always fun to sort through these. Alright, we've got some purple roses, 4 of those, and some purple large pearls, and 4 of those are about a 10 millimeter, I think. 2 of these hollow silver metal with a crystal inside of some kind, and 4 of these larger faceted rondelles. And let's see, if this is 9, these are like a 12 by, I don't know, 8 or 9 or something. We have 4 purple cube beads, 2 aqua colored pearls at the same size as those. These interesting silver, I don't know what you call these. They're like a faceted, but they're faceted differently. Spacer beads. They're kind of an odd shape. Different, very different. 2 little turquoisey tassels, or aqua. Some bead caps, 4 of those. These little purple, and I've gotten some of these beads in the past. So we have 6 of those purple, and then these go like with the chrysoprase part, these pale green rounds, glass rounds, and these faceted green rondelles, I believe. Oops, I picked up the wrong thing. Then there's some like oval cylinder beads. I don't know. I probably should be holding all of these up, right? And then, of course, some sparkly... Uh-oh. I just dropped one, but it's on my desk. I just can't get to it right now. So there's 4 of these, actually, not 3. And then these are interesting. They're a sort of a faceted... I don't know what that's called. Yeah, like that shape. When it's faceted, it's not flat. It's sort of like a round triangle, faceted triangle bead, something. I'll call it that. Almost like a cone shape, and there's 8 of those. And 4 bead caps. So, yeah, lots of pretty colors and unusual shapes in this one. And I'm looking forward to working with it. And I was asked a question if I design with only blue on my... Some of my collabs are Joy of Blue, one of them that I'm in, and that is only going to be blue. But my bargain bead box and this kit and my jewelry making fun collab will be different colors depending on the kits, or in the jewelry making fun collab depending on what our theme is for that month. So for those asking that question, come back and watch those videos as well. I've been behind because I've been doing more on my card making channel this month, but I'm going to be trying to catch up and get some finished jewelry videos out for you very soon. And certainly right after March 31st, I'll try and have some projects made with this beautiful kit collection. So thank you, Softflex, for another wonderful collection. I jumped on it, and then they announced on one of their videos that there would be a special surprise in it from Green Girl Studios, and it's this little bunny charm, which I love. It's adorable. Thank you so much. I can't wait to make with this. I will talk to you again soon. Bye for now.